Alright guys, before we get into this video, I just want to let you know I'm at the airport, about to board. How you doing, sir? About to board my flight in like an hour. Got the Starbucks, but yeah, enjoy the video. Alright, getting ready to board this flight. Hope you guys enjoy the ice fishing video. Stay tuned for more content from South Carolina. Let's go. I don't know what that's all about. Stoked to get out again.
That's all I always liked about the name. What's back there? Cardiel's back there. You know what that means? Get some.
Another pick roll, guys. Back-to-back flags. This guy's all beat up. Let's get the hook out of his mouth and get him back in the water. This took me forever fixing that tip up. We got another flag. Try to get this one on camera for you guys.
Back there. Cardiel's back there. You know what that means? Get some. These kids are just skating down the street. Look, just skating the streets down.
Another pick roll, guys. These are just eating them right. Alright, we need pliers for this guy. I gotta go to the back deck anyways. We got another tip up. Pick roll. There you go, guys. Got it on camera for you. Nice hook set.
Easy. My glasses. It was just like something that I could make like a rap, like something that I used to do as rap or some bullshit. That was the gnarliest thing ever.
There he goes. Do catch another one.
You got attacked right there, and look at the top of them right there. That was a pike, or another very big pickerel. You can kind of in this video see his mouth mark.
Look at the markings over here.
And that's beautiful, though. That teardrop is beautiful on him.
This?
Yep. You good?
Alright.
We gonna leave.
The mammoth of the pick
The
roll.
mammoth. Fish out. I'm gonna give him his minnow too. Let him take it.
Tell your friends.
Tell your friends I'm giving free snacks.